quick break. We got a lot of brain power going on here. We're going to work on Wednesday's homework. The diagram represents the number of cups of water and tablespoons of loose tea to make iced tea. My says the ratio of water to tea is 4:2. So first of all, let's just talk. Is this water to tea? Is this 4:2? Yes, that works, right? What is another ratio that my could write? So you can do this a few different ways. Could we multiply or divide top and bottom by the same number? Okay. Could we pick any number?
Yep.
Okay. What number do you want to pick?
6.
6. Could we multiply by 6 and by 6?
Stop.
And 4 times 6 is 24. Could we use 24 cups of water to 12 scoops of tea?
Yeah.
Yes, we could. Now, here's what I want you to see, though, with this one. Because we don't do it as much, but could we make these numbers smaller? Could we make these numbers smaller?
Yes.
And what do we use to make them smaller?
Division.
Division. Now, in this case, these numbers have a common factor. They are both divisible by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. And 2 divided by 2 is 1. It's actually 1. If you have 2 bags of potato chips and you split them between you and the other Harper, how many bags of potato chips does each Harper have? 1, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay. Any number divided by itself is 1.
I
Yes.
think you should do the showing me. I think you should show that.
What do you mean?
Like what you're about to do.
Oh, this is what she wants to see. She knows what's coming. So if I said I have 2 bags of chips and I'm giving 1 to one Harper and 1 to the other Harper, don't each of them get a bag of chips? Right, okay. So Jim and George, if I have 2 bags of chips and I divide them evenly, yes, you can have them, between Jim and George, don't you now each have 1 bag of chips?
Yes.
Harper, you may have your chips. There are 2 Harpers. Jim and George, you may have your chips. I'm moving on. Can I move on now? Okay. The diagram shows a mixture of black paint and white paint. The paint needed for 3 batches of a particular gray paint. Okay? So it's 3 batches. This is a batch of gray paint. This is a batch of gray paint. This is a batch of gray paint.
We just did this one.
What is the ratio of black paint to white paint for 1 batch?
4 to 3.
5. Yeah. 5 to 3.
5 to 3. 5 black to 4 white. When dyeing yarn, it is recommended that you use 750 milliliters of water for every 25 grams of yarn fiber. We are going to complete the table. Yes.
These ones were on the
These
last-
exact same
last
ones?
week's
I actually don't know
homework.
Jordan's
Look, I
last
have
name.
it.
Okay. They may have been. We might be doing them twice. Then this should be even easier.
I didn't say much.
That's okay. Well, let's look. Hold on. The other Harper is pulling out last week's homework, including some choir practice. Let's see.
It's on.
No, they look the same.
Well,
Oh. That is, okay, it's the exact same problem. You want to do it right now? Okay. So, guys, I'm going from 750 to 150. Am I getting bigger or smaller?
Small.
Smaller. That means I'm dividing. Take your calculators. Do 750 divided by 150. Tell me what you get. So you are dividing both sets of numbers by 5. What is 25 divided by 5? 5. 5. That number goes there.
what about this one?
We're going to do it next. Now you're going from 150 to some number, right?
Mm-hmm.
So let's look over here. Are you also going in that same grouping from 5 to 1? What do you divide 5 by to get 1?
5.
5. So guess what? You're dividing by 5 again. So guess what you're doing over here? Dividing by 5. Use your calculator. What's 150 divided by 5?
50.
150, what?
30.
30.
What did I get? I got.
I don't know. So again,
Did you
What?
put 100?
you did 5 divided by 150. I want 150 divided by 5.
Oh, so it does matter if you like put it in the wrong.
Yes, and that's why, George, I say practice using the calculator. And it's great that you guys are here because you're practicing with the calculator that you're actually going to use in class and you're actually going to use on the test. Okay?
Wait, Jim. What did you get whenever you did 5 divided by 150?
I think you did.
0.03333333.
What did Jim do? Did he do 30 divided by 5 or did he do, I don't know what he did.
No, I just wanted to see because I thought he said 0.5555,
Okay.
and then I did, and I got 0.0333.
Okay, so next one. To make a large batch of pancake mix, the directions say to use 40 cups of water to 28 cups of pancake mix. Diego only needs half the amount of pancake mix. So what if you are doing half? First of all, you're getting bigger or smaller if you're doing half?
I mean, small.
Smaller. By what? You're dividing by what number? Half is 2. So could you just say 40 divided by 2 and 28 divided by 2? Okay?
Miss Falk,
What?
may I please change?
Okay, so what's 40 divided by 2? Number 4. What's 40 divided by 2?
20.
20. And what's 28 divided by 2? And what's 28 divided by 2? Number 4.
Where's the things coming from? Like
What?
14. These.
These are divided by 2 because he wants half.
Where is it starting?
I guess it technically starts there. I have bad handwriting. So this would help you if you would prefer 40 cups of water. 28 cups of pancake. And because we want half, it actually says explain, so I would write, because we want half, divide by 2. Does that make some sense?
Yes.
Okay. The next one I don't like. We have to practice long division.
I love long division.
You do?
Yeah.
Okay, so first thing we have to say is we have to say it's actually 654
And then 12.
divided by 12. First thing we're going to divide, just 12 divided into 6. No, because 6 is smaller. Can 12 go into 65?
No.
Can 12 divide into 65?
Yes.
What do you mean no? Why are you saying
I
that?
just did it and I got 0.
12, repeat, 65 divided by 12.
5.4.
Okay, so it divides and you just get a remainder. So what that means is 12 is going to go into 65 5 times. Because 12 times 5 is 60, but 12 times 6 is 72. So 6 is too big. Okay? So we divided. Multiplied is where we said 5 times 12 is 60. Next is subtract. What's 65 minus 60?
5.
Bring down the 4. Now we're going to repeat. How many times does 12 go into 54? Well, 12 times 4 is 48. And 12 times 5 is 60. So I have to use, what did I just say, 4. 12 times 4 is 48. That's my multiplication. For subtraction, 54 minus 48 is 6. Are you with me so far? I'm running out of room here. What do I need to do now?
So minus.
Well, no, now, guys, I don't know if you guys did this in 5th grade. You should have. I need to be able to add a decimal point and a 0
No, we didn't do it.
and bring down the 0.
We did
We
that.
didn't. We
Did you
didn't.
guys do that?
We didn't add the decimal, or
We
probably
did,
like
no,
another.
Okay, so you have to add the decimal, add the 0, bring down the 0, and
make
12
it
goes
60.
into 60 5 times, and 5 times 12 is 60. So your answer is 54.5. Okay, you can use calculator on your tests, but what they want to start doing here in the homework is giving you some exposure again to the steps of long division. Okay? And we have one more page. We're nearing the end. I think we have one more page. Where is my next page? Oh, there it is. Okay. Thursday. Oh, look.
Oh, wait,
Other
no,
Harper.
Oh wait, not on Friday.
We don't. You never have homework on Friday.
Harper isn't gonna be here anymore. Other Harper's gonna
Okay.
answer now.
Okay, so now we have other Harper. Okay. So other Harper. But other Harper, I think this is the one that I did backwards. I think we've had this problem before. 12 cups of lemonade to 16 cups of sparkling water, but here is the trick. Here it asks for sparkling water first, doesn't it? So it's 16 sparkling water to 12 of lemonade. Does the question ask me to simplify?
No.
But could I?
Yes.
Is there a number, you don't have to write this, is there a number that is divisible evenly into 16 and 12? Yes.
Wait, I forgot. I just know the answer.
Okay, what is the answer?
3 and 4.
Okay, but is it actually 3, 4, or is it actually 4, 3?
Oh yeah, 4, 3.
Okay.
Because that's just
So the way you would get this is both of these have a factor of 4. You can divide both of them by 4. 16 divided by 4 is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. You don't have to do this though. This is just extra Mrs. Falk being annoying. Okay. Okay. Next one's a little confusing. Bard mixes pink paint by mixing 16 tablespoons of white paint and 4 tablespoons of red paint. Okay? So 16 white. 4, you have a question, you have a comment, other Harper?
I know both of the answers.
Okay, what are both of the answers?
It's B and B,
How do you know?
because it's on last week's homework.
Oh, okay, so let me just check. For every teaspoon of red paint, so here's the old, okay, for every teaspoon of red paint. So if I wanted to get to 1 red, how do I get from 4 to 1? How do I get from 4 to 1?
You will divide it
Divide by,
2.
to get from 4 to 1, divide by 4. And divide by 4. Okay? And then do I need to go over D or was it on last week's homework? Do you want me to go over D, the answer for D also?
Yeah.
Okay.
No.
Okay. Yes or no,
No.
Billy Joe Bob? I can't remember your name. It fell on the floor. It's Jim. I called him Billy Joe Bob.
He's your student.
Okay.
Call me Little Jabba, please.
Okay. So guys, we have 3 more to do.
3 more.
Number 3, I try to provide checklists. I try to provide explanation to students. And this one is confusing, so I want to know what to do. Okay. How do we add fractions? We have to find common denominators. I need you to hang in there for me for about 10 more minutes, okay? In order to find common denominators, you just started doing this in class, you have to find a common multiple. What is a common multiple for 11 and 5? And if you don't know, you can always multiply the 2 numbers together.
It's here.
What is 11 times 5?
55.
So you can always use 55. You can always use for a common denominator the 2 numbers multiplied together.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this is where now you're making 2 equivalent fractions, which work just like equivalent ratios. We've done this. So, other Harper, what do you multiply 11 by to get 55? So then we're going to do the Harper hamburger thing.
Harper hammer.
We're going to multiply by 5 on top. What's 5 times 6?
30.
30.
I thought it was 30. No, wait, no, that's
That is, okay, guys, find the common denominator, make an equivalent fraction for each. That's what we're doing. Now let's look over here. Billy Joe Bob,
Yeah.
what do I multiply 5 by to get 55?
11.
11. So I'm doing the Harper hamburger thing.
Dang, 2 hamburgers is crazy.
Okay. What's 3 times 11?
3 times 11 is
33.
Now what are you supposed to do? Add them together. What is 30 plus 33?
30 plus 30.
50.
60.
30 plus 30.
33. No.
30.
63. Dang, I said it.
What do you use for a denominator? The denominator you have, 55. Guys, it does not say you have to convert it to a mixed number. I would count this as the correct answer.
Are we the loudest group of students you've had doing this?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Can I
Okay.
say somebody's name?
What?
Can I say somebody's name since they're not in here?
No. Okay. 2 more
Mr.
questions.
Johns.
In a recipe for sparkling orange juice, the ratio of cups of orange juice to cups of sparkling water is 2 to 1. What is the ratio of cups of orange juice to cups of sparkling water that represents a double batch? What does double mean? What are we going to do to the numbers?
Multiply them by 2.
Multiply them by 2. So what's 2 times 2?
4.
What's 1 times 2?
2.
2.
That's all you had to do for that.
Oh, The answer was the
Okay.
last one.
Okay. Oh, the answer for the last one got moved over here. Oh, Jim, what is the ratio on this one?
6,
In
7.
a recipe for,
Ah.
okay, in a recipe for punch, it's fruit punch to Sprite. Okay? So what would be a double batch of 6, 7? What's 6 times 2?
It would be
What's 6 times?
14, 12. No,
Okay,
12,
which
14.
12, 14.